cold start, stock muffler. All right, well, since I've got the header pipe cut off, I'm getting ready to install the Flowmaster Catback dual system, 5.3 liter 2011 GMC Sierra. It's a V8. Might as well fire it up and see what it sounds like just coming straight off that header pipe. Sounds pretty good, pretty rough, pretty mean. Might be a little too loud though for the neighborhood. This is the cab drone in residential driving on a 2011 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8 with the muffler cut off before a catback installation. Right now it's 1,000 RPMs at 25 miles an hour. What happens if you get on it just a little bit. So it's not too bad when you're not on it, but when you give it the gas, it really makes quite a bit of noise, probably more than any way that I would want just driving around town or out on the highway. Definitely is a good rumble when you start the truck up. Too much cab noise for my liking. Okay, so here is the initial startup on the Catback dual exhaust system. All right. I'd say that sounds pretty good, a whole lot better than it sounded stock. Okay, gonna start the truck up one more time, a little different perspective. It's got a deep rumble, sounds pretty good. It's not too obnoxious. Flowmaster Super44. Okay, so here is the Flowmaster Super44 cab drone test. Right now, 1,000 RPMs, about 30 miles an hour. Relatively quiet, I can hear it a little bit if I get on it. You can hear that drone a little bit. It's really not too bad. Right there, if you kind of keep it about 1,500 RPMs is about the worst drone, residential driving anyway, and it's not that bad. Thanks for watching, everybody. God bless.